Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Samsung S30GD 24-inch 100Hz IPS monitor, a budget-friendly display designed for work, streaming, and light gaming. If you've been using an older screen, you'll immediately notice the difference. The IPS panel delivers vibrant colors and consistent brightness, even when viewing from the sides. That means no more washed-out visuals when you shift in your chair or share the screen with someone nearby. The 100Hz refresh rate is another big upgrade. Scrolling feels smoother, videos look cleaner, and casual gaming benefits from reduced motion blur compared to standard 60Hz displays. It's a simple spec bump that makes everyday use feel noticeably more fluid. For long sessions, Samsung includes eye comfort features like reduced blue light and flicker-free technology to help minimize strain. The slim bezels and clean, modern design also make it a great fit for multi-monitor setups. One thing to note, the included stand only supports tilt adjustment, so height customization would require a separate monitor arm. Overall, the Samsung S30GD offers solid visuals, smoother performance, and great value in a sleek 2-4-inch package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.